Hello everyone, today we are going to perform limit test for iron. Okay, and this limit test for iron is basically based on a reaction between ferrous ion and thioglycolic acid. This ferrous ion, when reacted with thioglycolic acid, as you know, any acid that releases H plus ion, all the acid releases H plus ion. So if there is a reaction between this ferrous ion and the acid, so this ferrous ion will be reduced and it will be get converted into ferric ions. It was ferrous ion, it will be reduced to ferric ion, and this ferric ion it will form a complex with what you can say your thioglycolic acid, and that complex with thioglycolic acid will produce color in the reaction. So on the basis of color produced, the intensity of color produced, we can conclude that either our sample contains excess amount of iron, and if there is no production of color, and if there is a production of color but it is not greater than the standard, then we will conclude that our test passes for iron. Okay, so basically reaction is this ferrous ion react with thioglycolic acid. This is the structure of thioglycolic acid. Okay, so the product what we are getting, this is ferric ion and a complex. This ferric ion, when it reacts with this thioglycolic acid, so it will produce a ferrous thioglycolate. Okay, this is a complex structure. Upon completion of reaction, we will receive this ferrous thioglycolate. It will be responsible for production of color in your reaction mixture. Okay, it consists of what you can say a deep purple color, or the color may vary depending upon the extent of iron that is present in your reaction. Okay, so on the basis of amount of iron, the color will vary from pale pink to deep purple color. Okay, if there is a presence of iron and it is in the limit, so color of that color you will be getting is very faint pink, or what you can say very pale pink. And if there is a lot of excess iron present in the reaction in the sample, then the color that will be produced, it will be very deep purple or reddish purple color. Okay, so this is the basic principle or basic reaction you can say behind limit test for sulfate. This is the theoretical part, and next we will continue to the practical part.
So the procedure for this limit test for iron consists of, as usual, we will take two Nestlé cylinder. Okay, one we will mark as an standard, and other we will mark as an test. Okay, so what will be the content of this standard and test Nestlé cylinder? So the very first, in the standard Nestlé cylinder, we will pipette out 2 ml of standard iron solution. Okay, 2 ml of standard iron solution. Then we will dilute it up to 40 ml with distilled water. Okay, we have to use distilled water only. Otherwise, if there is a presence of iron as an impurity in the tap water if we are using, so alternatively it is going to contaminate our reaction, and we will be getting a lot of errors. ठीक है, so we will dilute it 40 ml with distilled water. Then next is we will add 2 ml of 20% weight by volume solution of iron-free citric acid. Iron-free citric acid 20% weight by volume किस तरह से बनाना है, you already know that. Then we will add 1 ml of thioglycolic acid. This is what you can say main reagent or main component of the reaction that is going to combine with ferrous iron. Then next is we will mix the reaction mixture, जो भी हमने मतलब एडिशन जितने भी किए हैं, we will mix with a glass rod, and then it will be made alkaline by addition of iron free ammonia. Then volume will be make up to 50 ml. Then we will stir by means of a glass rod, and it will be kept for at least 5 minutes, so that the color should be completely produced, or मतलब color should be सैचुरेटेड. ओके, जितनी भी वहाँ पे टर्बिडिटी आनी है, जितना भी कलर आना है, इट शुड गेट completed. Then in the test sample, the only difference between test and standard में we were using standard iron solution, but in test Nestle cylinder we will add our sample. अगर solid है तो हम उसका solution बनाएंगे, and if the ready-made वहाँ पे sample provided है, then no issues. अगर वहाँ पे if there is a presence of solid sample, so we will prepare the sample like mentioned in the monograph in the pharmacopoeia, and the remaining steps are same. That is, we will dilute it for 40 ml with water, then 2 ml of 20% weight by volume solution of iron free citric acid, then 1 ml of thioglycolic acid, then alkaline करना रहेगा by means of iron free ammonia, and then we will keep it aside for 5 minutes so that we can compare the color. Okay, so this is the procedure, or this is the content that you have to follow. So next we will go towards the experimental part. Okay students, as you can see, we have taken two Nestle cylinder. One we have marked as an standard, and then other one we have marked as an test. Okay, and as you can see, we have taken two different glass rods. Okay, two different glass rods. One will be for standard and one will be for test. Okay, we do there is an strict guideline that we don't have to use the same glass rod for the mixing both the mixture. Okay, so strictly we have to use two different glass rod, one for standard and one for test. Then here it is a measuring cylinder. जो भी हम solvent measure करेंगे, that will be by means of this measuring cylinder. Then we have taken distilled water. This is distilled water, and this is what you can say strong ammonia or iron free ammonia. Okay, you can see we are using different pipettes. Okay, for each reagent we are using different pipettes so that we can minimize chances of errors. Then it is thioglycolic acid. Again we are using different pipette. Then this is what you can say 20% citric acid solution we have prepared like the procedure. Then it is what test sample. Test sample इसका भी solution हमने prepare किया है like mentioned in the monograph, and this is the standard solution that we are going to use. Okay, and this is the rubber bulb that we are going to use for pipetting out the liquids from the containers. Okay,
so we are preparing the standard solution first, or standard Nestle cylinder first. So we have taken 2 ml of exact 2 ml of standard solution. This pipette is of 2 ml, and we have taken exactly 2 ml of standard solution, and then we will transfer it in the Nestle cylinder. Okay, while transferring, make sure you are transferring by walls of the vessel. Okay, इस तरह से हमें ट्रांसफ़र नहीं करना है, वॉल से ट्रांसफ़र करने के, सो दैट मतलब वहाँ पे किसी भी तरह की जंपिंग नहीं होगी, या किसी भी तरह का वहाँ पे व्हाट यू कैन से लिक्विड आपका जंप होके मतलब वॉल्स पे नहीं लगेगा, पूरा का पूरा उसमें ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो वी हैव टेकन दिस स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन, देन वी विल कीप इट असाइड सो दैट हम उसको वापस से मिक्स ना कर दें, and simultaneously we will prepare this test sample as well. So for test sample we are taking this test solution, and again we will take we have taken 2 ml of your standard solution, and again we will take 2 ml of sample solution. To ml test solution we are transferring in test Nestle cylinder. And you might have noticed that I am using my 4 finger for pipetting out. Okay, so that आपका 4 finger पर आपका कमांड ज़्यादा होता है. अगर आप इस तरह से थंब यूज़ करोगे, so आप देख सकते हैं कि पूरी मार्किंग यहाँ पे मतलब वो हाइड हो जाती है आपकी फिंगर के पीछे. आप इस तरह से 4 फिंगर यूज़ करो, सारे मतलब ग्रेजुएशन यहाँ से आपको विजिबल होगा, सारी मार्किंग आपको यहाँ से विजिबल होगी, सो दैट हम इसमें एक्यूरेट मेजरमेंट ले सकते हैं. सो फार वी हैव एडेड 2 ml of standard solution and 2 ml of test solution in both standard and test. Then next step is we will add distilled water to dilute it up to 40 ml. Okay, so this is the distilled water. अभी हमें मतलब उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी वी हैव एडेड 2 ml सैंपल एंड स्टैंडर्ड. देन वी विल टेक 38 ml ऑफ वाटर, सो दैट उसका जो वॉल्यूम रहेगा इट विल बी 40 ml. अगेन यू कैन सी जो वाटर हम यहाँ पर ऐड कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द साइड ऑफ द मेजरिंग सिलेंडर. वॉल्स ऑफ द मेजरिंग सिलेंडर पे टच करते हुए ऐड कर रहे हैं, सो दैट वहाँ पे जंपिंग नहीं होगी और मिनिस्कस का मेजरमेंट हम यहाँ अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. Up to 40 ml water is standard. Then again up to 40 ml in the test solution. Then next we will add 2 ml of 20% iron free citric acid in both. Iron free citric acid, इसका कितना अमाउंट यहाँ पर मेंशन है, दैट इज 2 ml in each. दोनों में हमें 2-2 ml ऐड करना है. Citric acid in standard. Then we will add 0.1 ml of thioglycolic acid. 0.1 ml thioglycolic acid.
1:1 ml. Then again 0.1 ml in Then next step is to make the solution alkaline, and alkaline करने के लिए we are using आयरन फ्री अमोनिया. अभी आयरन फ्री अमोनिया हम ऐड करेंगे कितना, कि जस्ट मतलब हमारा जो रिएक्शन मिक्सचर है शुड बी अल्कालाइन टू द लिटमस पेपर. ओके, लिटमस पेपर now we will add ammonia by means of dropper. Okay, अमोनिया इतना ऐड करना है जस्ट और जो हमारा मिक्सचर है वो अल्कलाइन होना चाहिए. हम इसे साइड्स के थ्रू ऐड करेंगे. एंड देन वी विल मिक्स इट. Now we will check कि हमारा जो मिक्सचर है वो अल्कलाइन हुआ है या नहीं है. एक बुनियादी कारण है. सो जो ग्लास रॉड से हमने मिक्स किया है वही ग्लास रॉड हम लिटमस पे टच करते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ अल्कलाइन तो हमारा जो लिटमस पेपर है, रेड लिटमस पेपर, वो ब्लू में टर्न होगा इफ़ आवर कंपाउंड इज अल्कलाइन. ओके, अभी हमने ये वाला ग्लास रॉड यूज़ किया है स्टैंडर्ड के लिए, तो हम इसको टेस्ट के लिए नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है. देन अगेन वी विल ऐड अमोनिया इन द टेस्ट सॉल्यूशन एंड जस्ट वी विल शेक. We will add sufficient ammonia to just make it alkaline. Then we will stir by means of another glass rod. Now let us just check कि हमारा जो मिक्सचर है वो अल्कलाइन हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है. The mixture is not yet alkaline to the litmus paper. We will add some more ammonia, a little more ammonia. properly and then glass rod C. Now as you can see our red litmus paper, it is turning blue. It means what? कि हमारा जो मिक्सचर है अभी अल्कलाइन हो चुका है. Then we will keep it aside for 5 minutes and then we will compare the color. Okay. यह है. Now the last step is addition of a little water just to make उसका जो वॉल्यूम है हमें 50 ml मिल जाए. ठीक है. ml. Then we will keep it for 5 minutes and then I will be get back to you if there is any production of color. Pause करना. ऑलमोस्ट हमने इसको यहाँ पे रखे हुए 5 मिनट्स हो गए हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर इज़ नो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एनी पर्पल और रेडिश कलर इन द टेस्ट सैम्पल. ओके, दिस इज़ द टेस्ट वाला नेस्ले सिलेंडर है एंड दिस इज़ द स्टैंडर्ड. यू कैन क्लियरली नोटिस the color differences. Standard color is deep purple in color and test one is totally transparent or totally clear. So on the basis of this experiment we can conclude that our test sample passes the limit test for iron. Okay, you can see the results. Again I am showing you this litmus paper. हमने मतलब यहाँ पर वाइट टाइल यूज़ किया है so that हम लोग यहाँ पर इसका एग्जैक्ट कलर चेंज वी कैन नोटिस. For this for color comparison purpose we are using this white background. Again this is the results. You can see how clearly our test passes. So I hope you have understood this experiment of limit test for iron. So like this we have completed our experiment. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next experiment. Thank you. Bye.